Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the second installment of the Graveyard Project Pan that was created by Emily and Max. I didn't do last year's, and I was kind of sorry that I didn't because it looks so much fun. So this year I wanted to do it. So you can pick 5 to 10 items, and it's going to be rolling. And it started April 30th, and it goes to October 31st, which is Halloween. So, the premise of this is picking items that were in a previous project pan that you didn't finish, or picking items that have been kind of just sitting around and haven't been touched in a bit. So, anyway, everything that I have here, except for like one, has been in a project pan before. This is the e.l.f. Liquid eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold. This was in like a Harry Potter project pan. Same as this one. This is also from e.l.f. This is the brushed copper liquid eyeshadow. Then we have, oops, I'll get you so you don't spill all over. This is the Josie Maran 100% pure argan oil. This was in a skincare project pan that I did in February, I think. But anyway, so that's that. Put that on the table so it doesn't fall around. This is the Etude House double lasting cushion in the shade Rosy Pure. I just have it in this cute little piglet case, which is reusable. So I want to get that foundation done because it's been open a little bit and I just want to use it up before it dries up. And this was also in the same skincare project pan with the Josie Maran oil. This is the Bronze Goddess with body cream by Estee Lauder. Yeah, I just want to finish these up. Anyway, those are the 5 I'm starting with. When I get a few things done, I'll be rolling things in. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoy. Please click that thumbs up if you like project panning videos. Subscribe if you have not. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.